Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are going to discuss the haloalkanes and haloarenes. So you see what is haloalkane and how it is formed. Okay. So as I told you that whenever alkane is there, alkane is what? CN H2N plus 2. When it loses one hydrogen, CN H2N plus 1. This is alkane. After losing one hydrogen, it becomes what? Alkyl group. Okay, alkyl group. So alkyl group is generally represented as R. So this examples you can see mono haloalkanes. If one halogen is there, it is mono haloalkane. If okay, so similarly, if you see benzene is there, okay, if from benzene alternate double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond is there. If one hydrogen is lost, so it become aryl group. What it is called as aryl group. Here one free valency is there. Okay, so here one free valency is there, means here this X can come and attach. Similarly here R is there, here X can come and attach. So this is called as haloalkanes. This is called as haloarenes. What it is called as haloarenes. Okay, for example, in the benzene ring, okay, benzene ring you can write like this also. Here suppose chlorine is there. So here IUPAC nomenclature is haloarene. So it is called as what? Chlorobenzene. Okay, chlorobenzene. Is it clear? Suppose with this benzene ring, if bromine is there, so what would be its name? It is a bromobenzene.
Bromobenzene.
Okay. So one classification on the basis of number of halogen atoms. Okay, halogen derivatives are classified as mono, di, tri, tetra, etc. Halogen atom is there, it is mono. Okay, it's a mono haloarene. If suppose two halogen atom is there, okay, you can see 2x is there. What is X here? X represents for what? Group 17 elements: chlorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Yes or no? So if two are there, means this is dihaloalkane. Okay, so this is a next classification. If you see on the basis of nature of carbon to which halogen atom is attached. Halogen derivatives are classified as 1 degree, that is primary, 2 degree, secondary, 3 degree, allylic, benzylic, vinylic, and aryl derivatives. Okay, so you can see here this halogen atoms which is attached to this carbon. Okay, that is connected to only one carbon. Here this is carbon only. Okay, so that is what hydrogen atom. This is 1 degree. As you can see here in this carbon, this halogen atoms which is attached to this carbon is attached to 2 carbon atom. Yes or no? So this is 2 degree. Here you can see halogen atom which is attached to this carbon which is attached to 3 carbon. Okay, so this is a 3 degree or tertiary. Okay. Here you see if the halogen atoms if the is attached to this carbon, that is attached to the double bonded carbon. Okay, so this group is called as what? Allylic group. What it is called as? Allylic group. You can see here. This is a CH2X, means halogen is attached to this carbon. Okay, so then next this carbon is what? Double bond is there. That's why it is allylic group. Similarly here also you can see. Similarly benzylic group is there. This is attached to the carbon. Next carbon atom is having what? Double bond. Okay, this is called as vinylic group. Okay, this is called as vinylic group. Okay, this is aryl group. Okay, see how we can prepare haloalkanes. Okay, so first method of preparation is from alcohol. Okay, first method of preparation is alcohol. So by the reaction of if you see alcohol, okay, ROH, okay, it reacts with HCl. Okay, it reacts with what? HCl in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. Okay, HCl in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. You can see this H and OH will form what? H2O. Yes or no? Okay, and this R and this Cl will form what? RCl. Am I clear? Okay, so you can see RCl is there plus H2O. This is called as groups process. Similarly, if you take alcohol, react with NaBr. Okay, so Na and OH will form what? NOH which will come out, and R will combine with Br. Okay, so it will form RBr. Okay, for example, if you take a CH3OH, this is what a methanol. What is this? A methanol. Okay, when you react with the sodium bromide, okay, in the presence of H2SO4, in the presence of H2SO4. Okay, so actually it will form CH3Br. Okay, bromomethane is formed. Bromomethane is formed. Okay, so here R is what? One carbon, that is a methyl group. Similarly, if you fuse with a PX3, so it will form 3RX. Okay, plus H3PO3 is formed. If you fuse with a PCl5, it will form RCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. Okay. Next, important reaction is there. If it reacts with thionyl chloride, SOCl2, in the presence of pyrimidine, it will form RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. Okay, this is called as Dargen process. This is called as Dargen process. Okay. So in Group's process, what is there? Zinc chloride is used to weaken the carbon. See, you can see when you talk about alcohol, so here you see. Okay, this is the bond between carbon and OH group. Here bond is there. So zinc chloride is used to weaken this bond between carbon and OH. One bond is there. So zinc chloride will weaken this bond. In this case, 3-degree alcohol, ZnCl2 is not required. Okay, if you want to form a 3-degree alcohol, 3-degree alcohol means what? Okay, this is called as 3-degree alcohol. So in this case, ZnCl2 is not required. Okay, we will get the product without the help of ZnCl2 also. Okay, so when we talk about what is the order of reactivity of halogen atoms? If you see, so group 17 okay, of the periodic table, chlorine is there, bromine is there, okay, iodine is there. So you can see HS, HF, HCl, HBr. Okay, so as the bond length increases, so what happens? It is easy to break the bond, so reactivity will increase. Okay, so order of reactivity is what we can say. Hi is there. Okay, it is more reactive. Why? Because this Hi bond length is very larger, so it is easy to break. So it is more reactive. Then HBr is there, HCl is there. Okay, so this is one method of preparation of alcohol. Sorry, haloalkanes from alcohol.